hold on. Remember what I'm saying now? Hello? One to you now, sir. Hey, where you there? St. Elizabeth? You want to go to Portland? Where you have? Furniture. So you know no chop. Alright, here what you do. Go on Google and you type in enough loads and you see the apps just jump out at you. Just cool now, man. Hard problem solved. Just do what I say. Enough loads and the apps start. Yes. Yes, man. And everything good. Trust me. And tell all of your circle them to go for the apps there. Put it on them phone. Easy. All of the problem them solve where transporting is concerned. All of them solve. Anything you want to move. Yes, no man. Anything, brother. Anything. No floats, me say, no floats. Listen now. Hello. NUFF. We have go with pen. Easy to spell. NUFF LOADS.